Today's video is about a tomato face pack for clear and bright skin. A tomato face pack is the easiest way to whiten and rejuvenate your skin. In this video, we will tell you how to get rid of acne and acne scars and make your skin brighter, softer, and supple. You need simple ingredients to prepare this brightening face pack. Take 2 tablespoons of tomato juice. Tomato juice helps in treating acne scars and sun damage. It also minimizes pores and improves your complexion. 1 tablespoon of chickpea powder. Chickpeas are a good source of magnesium that helps in reducing fine lines and smoothens out your skin. 1 teaspoon of red lentil powder. Red lentil powder has natural bleaching properties that help in removing dark spots, acne scars, and any discoloration on the face. It also removes dead cells, treats blackheads, and gives you silky smooth skin. 1/2 teaspoon of orange peel powder. Orange peel powder is used as a skin exfoliant, which helps to remove dead skin cells and impurities from the skin. It also treats blackheads and whiteheads. Mix all the ingredients to get a paste. Apply this face pack to your face and neck for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off your face with a gentle massage. You will feel instant bright and clear skin. For better results, use this face pack twice a week.